When people hear flow system, it often sounds complicated, but it doesn't have to be. You only need to do one thing: bring your body back to a state where it can move up, move down, take in, and release, instead of being stuck in constant tension or collapse. Today, I will give you a simple 3-step method you can follow right away. Step 1. Restore your breath. Start by finding your breath again. Don't breathe into your chest. Don't force a deep inhale. Instead, let the air gently travel downward into your abdomen. As you inhale, feel your belly slowly expand. As you exhale, let it naturally fall back. No holding, no pushing. Do this for 10 breaths. You will start to notice that the internal space of your body feels different. Don't underestimate this step. The purpose of breathing here is not just the training, it's about reopening the entry point of internal flow. Many of my clients start here. It looks simple, so people overlook it. But here's the truth. More than half of my clients spend the most time on breathing throughout the entire process. Because if this step isn't done well, everything that follows becomes less effective. Whether it's body training or facial work, without breathing, your results are cut in half. If you have training and breathing but no body-mind connection, your results are cut in half again. So breathing is step 1. It's a foundation and often the hardest place to truly begin. Next, we establish our body's support axis. Simply put, sit or stand upright, but don't force it. Instead, imagine the top of your head being gently lifted upward. Let your spine lengthen naturally. Relax your shoulders, don't shrug. Now, maintain this position and continue to do the slow breathing. You will feel the pressure in your upper body begin to redistribute. This step helps reopen the structural pathways of your body. Don't underestimate something as simple as sitting or standing upright. If you pay attention, you will notice that in daily life, most of us rarely maintain true alignment. Take a moment to observe your posture. Can you really stay lifted and aligned? Step 3. Gently engage the core. The third step is often overlooked. Let your core gently participate. This is not about bracing or tightening your core. At the very end of your exhale, lightly engage your lower abdomen, just enough to hold the air for a moment. Then release. This helps re-establish your body's internal pressure system. After completing those 3 steps, go look at yourself in the mirror. For many people, things don't disappear, but they do look less tense, less puffy, because your system has started to flow again. But remember, this is not a one-time fix. Your body has adapted to gravity and poor posture for decades. That kind of compression doesn't change overnight. The goal of the practice is to help your body relearn how to flow. If you spend just a few minutes every day practicing this, start integrating it into your daily life, especially maintaining better posture. Your body will gradually return to a more balanced state. In the next video, we will move to the face and explore how to activate the facial fascia system. Make sure to follow and turn on the notifications. Follow along and give your effort the right direction.